Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. I go by the Nappy Life here on YouTube, and today, do you notice anything different? I got my hair done. I went to the Loctician for the first time in my entire life. I've been locked for 3 years, June, and 3 months. And this was my first time going to the Loctician, and the first time I've been in a salon in like 6 or 7 years. So let me start off by telling you why I went to the Loctician. So I went to the Loctician because after 3 years and 3 months of doing my locks myself, maintaining my locks myself, I even started my locks myself. After 3 years and 3 months of doing that, I decided to go to a Loctician because I noticed some issues that I was having with my hair, where the hair was starting to grow out of the lock and I was starting to notice some thinning. So I wanted to go to a Loctician to see if maybe they could, I don't know, incorporate those hairs into the locks better than I can when I retwist, and also to style my hair because I don't really know how to style my locks. Like, I feel like I'm starting over when it comes to learning how to do my hair. But I had a really good experience and I'm definitely going back. So I went to Louis Locks here in Orlando. That's where I live. I found her on Instagram, followed her for a while, really admired her work. So I went ahead, set the appointment. She was very nice and answered all my questions before the appointment. So what I did was I got a wash, a retwist, lock wrapping, and a style. So lock wrapping is basically where she incorporated those locks that were grown out of the lock into the lock. And when I went in, she looked at my hair. She noticed the problem that I was having in the middle of my scalp with the thinning, because as you guys know, like, that part of my hair was like bald when I started my locks, and it's grown in those 3 years. So that section is a lot thinner than everywhere else because I don't know what kind of issue I was having, but my hair fell out. She looked at my scalp and suggested that it might be due to stress or something else, and I agree with her also. My hair tends to fall out when I'm under a great deal of stress. My hair has fallen out 3 times in that area, and it's always been around times when I'm really stressed out. So she suggested maybe going to someone who can combine those thinner ones in the middle, which is something that I'm thinking about doing in the future. And then, when she washed my hair, literally all she used was shampoo. That's it. No conditioner, no leave-in, and my hair feels so soft. So from my understanding, she used a moisturizing shampoo second. I think she used a regular shampoo first and a moisturizing shampoo second. I think it had peppermint in it because my scalp was tingly, but it was very pleasant. So her doing that with just shampoo, it makes me reevaluate my whole routine, because I have to detox, I have to wash, I have to condition, I have to do a leave-in and an oil to make sure that my hair is moisturized. But she did none of that, literally none of that. She washed my hair, dried it a little bit, put some oil on my scalp and maybe on the length of my locks, and my hair feels so soft. So I might have to switch up my maintenance routine so I don't get buildup. But what she was saying is, like, conditioner, of course, and all those cream-based products cause buildup in your hair. So I'm thinking about revamping my wash routine and my maintenance routine to make it a lot lighter, because she clearly showed that it can be done with just shampoo. So after she shampooed my hair with the regular shampoo and then the moisturizing shampoo, she put me under the dryer for a little bit. And I think it was low heat because it never really got too hot. it was very comfortable. And when she put me under the dryer, my scalp started tingling a little bit from the peppermint. It felt so good. So after she did that, then she oiled my scalp. I think that what she used has peppermint also. She has her own lock products as well, and she recommends only using a moisturizing mist and an oil to keep my hair moisturized, which I definitely understand. And that's something that I've been trying to find, is like a really nice moisturizing mist that doesn't have a heavy cream in it, to where it doesn't leave buildup. Because what I noticed with the leave-ins that I normally use, like the Miel Organics, one second, like the Miel Organics or the Alkane Naturals. Alkane Naturals isn't, I haven't noticed that as far as causing buildup, but definitely the Miel Organics Peony leave-in conditioner, that I've noticed that I've gotten some buildup with that if I didn't dilute it. So yeah, definitely thinking of revamp. So now the challenge for me is to find a product like that, a moisturizing mist that doesn't cause buildup. She does sell products, but she didn't have any on hand in her where she worked, but she does have it online, so that's something I'm probably gonna look into purchasing. So after she did the moisturizing mist and the oil on my scalp, then she started to style my hair, and she asked a lot about, you know, the history of my hair and how I've been maintaining it, and gave me some great tips to follow. She also suggested that I come in a lot more often to get my locks done, because I normally wait till the 3rd month to do my hair because I'm semi-free-forming. But I notice the longer I wait, the harder it is for my hair to lock, and the more my hair grows out of the lock. So she suggested maybe get my locks done each month for a while, until, you know, the hair starts growing into the lock, which I totally agree with. So that's something I'm definitely gonna try to do. I'm absolutely gonna go back, because I had a wonderful experience. It was probably the first awesome salon experience I've ever had, and I told her what style I wanted, and she knocked it out. I really like it. One of the reasons why I wanted to style my hair is to get it up off my neck, out of my face, and I'm happy with how it came out. So that's it. I had a really pleasant experience at the salon. It only took about 3 hours. I got there at 10:30 and left at 1:30. She did all of that in 3 hours. It was great. Normally when I do my hair, it takes me all day, sometimes 2 days, but seeing someone else do it in 3 hours, I was amazed. Yeah, and I'm totally happy. So anyways, I just wanted to come in and share that with you. Let me know in the description box what you prefer to do, if you prefer to go to the salon or do your hair yourself, and what your experience has been like that. If you'd like to see more content, thumbs up this video and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye.